Hello everybody. I am presenting to you card number 3 today of the Lovely Arrangements card kit that I have available as a to-go option. The card kit includes all the supplies to make 8 cards. They're all pre-cut, ready for you to go. The only thing you need to add is stamps and ink. You can use what we're using on the cards, or you can change it up and use what you have on hand. If you would decide you want to make it exactly like my cards, I used the Lovely Arrangements bundle, so it is this stamp set and these coordinating dies. So this is card number 3, and this is actually a pretty quick and easy one. So I'm going to set it aside and get out my foam mat. And we're going to use just basic black ink on this one. And we're going to use the Just a Note stamp. So we're going to ink that up with the basic black. Use the Just a Note. We're going to just do it close to the bottom here. Because then we're going to punch it out using our 3 banner punch. And I want it to go the other way. So, because I should have stamped it the other way. Actually, I'll just show you the way I should have stamped it. That way you can do it the right way at home. What I should have done is stamped it at the top. Hopefully I did that right. Yes. So then the one that's at the top, and we're going to put it in the punch. Now, if you don't have this punch, you can literally just take a strip of cardstock. Oh, I just almost punched that. There we go. I take a strip of cardstock, probably about 1/2 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch. Let's see what size this is. Yeah, about 1/2 an inch. You can just take 1/2 an inch of cardstock and stamp it, like just get a strip. And then on your end, you can just create your own banner. You just come in and you just, that's how you can create your own banner. So you can do that all day long without having a punch. It's just nice to have a punch that makes it quick and easy. All right, and with that, we are ready to assemble. I also punched out that same banner in a piece of old olive cardstock, because we're going to need that on the card. Let me bring the card back into view and bring out all the pieces. So this card is on a white base, so it's 1/2 sheet of our thick cardstock that is cut in half. I mean, it's 1/2 sheet, and that is scored in half. And then we're going to give it a good crease with the bone folder. And then we have a piece of old olive cardstock that is 4 by 5 1/4. And this is another piece out of the designer paper. So all I had to do was just cut it. Cut it to the right size so that it would fit on my mat. And we're going to adhere that. 4 dots of glue, 1 in the middle. Now we are going to add, sorry, just bumped the camera again. We are going to add some twine. This is our old olive twine. It comes in a 2-pack. It's old olive and early espresso. You get a roll of each, and they just added it yesterday to the last chance product category, which means that it's only available now while supplies last. So we're going to add this by using our stamp and seal on the back side. Just put a couple pieces. We're going to take one edge of the twine, put it on the stamp and seal about in the middle so that we can wrap it around the card twice. And then adhere it on the back on the other piece of stamp and steel. Cut off that little extra just so it doesn't get in the way. Even it out a little. All right. Now I think it's gonna go this way. Then we'll use our glue. Again, we're gonna do the 4 dots, one in the middle. We're gonna adhere that to our card base. We're going to adhere the just a note tag onto the old olive tag by just adding a little bit of glue on the back side here. We just want it to be a little bit off. And we're going to take 2 dimensionals put on the back side. Oops, it wasn't quite set yet when I moved it. Hold on. There we go. Put it back in place. Now, 2 dimensionals on the back side. We're going to add that to our card front. Moving that ribbon down just a little bit. We're going to add that to the card front. And then we have a piece of old olive twine that I've already tied into a bow. The bows will be tied for you if you purchase the kit, so you won't have to do this part. We're going to just take a glue dot. We can add this bow to our tag. And then it looks like you tied the ribbon around and tied a bow, but we did it the easy way by, got a little crooked there. Okay, there we go. And on this one, we didn't add anything. You'll have plenty of extra embellishments in your kit because you do get a full packet of the Moody Palette embellishments to go with the kit. So you could add some on here if you would like. Maybe you could do some in the center of the flowers. But I think it looks kind of nice just as it is. And that was card number 3.